Hello, today students we're going to be talking about how to do dilution problems in chemistry. A lot of times we have concentrated solutions and we want to water them down or dilute them. I have an example right here that I've done, and we've worked with some of this before. Here's some 3 molar and some 12 molar hydrochloric acid. What we do is we take them and we just dilute them down and water them so they're not so strong. So we're going to be talking about that today. I'm going to do example problem on page 486. It says in the problem that we have, it's asking us first of all, what volume of 2 molar calcium chloride do we need to use to make, and this is what we eventually want to make, is 0.5 liters of 0.300 molar calcium chloride. The formula that we're going to be using for this is the simple dilution formula. It's that M1 V1 equals M2 V2. M stands for the molarity of the first one. Volume stands for the volume of the first one. M2 stands for the molarity of the second. And V2 stands for the volume of the second. Now, it doesn't matter which one of these two you make number one and which one you make two, as long as you keep those two together and these together right here. So we're just going to go ahead and put this in. So we're going to start out with some 2 molar. Sorry, I should have put the zeros on it. 2.00 molar calcium chloride, and we're solving for what volume of that we need. On the other side, we've got a molarity of 0.300 molar times the volume that we have of it is 0.5 liters. So we just go ahead and times those two together. I'm going to do it out the long way, the long hand, and we go 0.3 times 0.5, we get 0.15. And the units we have is moles times liters, and then we're just going to divide by 2, just like we do in algebra. Divide this by 2. Forgot the unit on there. Molarity, molarity, and molarity cancels molarity. We end up with units of liters. So we get volume. The first volume is 0.075 liters. So that's the answer to it right there. Your book converts it to milliliters. A lot of times we don't work in liters in the chemistry lab, so we're going to convert that to milliliters. So we have 0.075 liters. Do a conversion. For every 1 liter, we have 1,000 milliliters. Liters cancel out liters. We go 0.75 times 1,000. So we have 75 milliliters of 2 molar calcium chloride that we need to use, and that's how you do a dilution